Hello and welcome to this first overview lecture in this course, due course Master in Artificial Intelligence. So in this section, we will give you an overview of how can you become a successful artificial intelligence engineer. And in this lecture, we will talk about what is artificial intelligence. And then in the next, we will talk about what are the career opportunities in this field, right? So what do you think is artificial intelligence? Any thoughts on artificial intelligence? Is it as simple as producing a humanoid as you see here? Or is it more than that? Let's take a look at that. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science. So computer science is the umbrella under which artificial intelligence comes. And this part of computer science called artificial intelligence focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So humanoids is a very advanced form of intelligence, artificial intelligence. But there are more things that. Now, what does this include? Now, these tasks include understanding natural languages, which is what we speak, what we communicate, etc. Recognizing patterns that keep happening around in nature and in life, making decisions, learning from experience, like all human beings learn from experience over the years, and solving problems. So that's what is artificial intelligence about. And artificial intelligence encompasses various subfields and techniques that includes machine learning, deep learning, NLP or natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and much more. And this field is continuously evolving. Now, these technologies are being applied across numerous industries. These are the core technologies as of now, and they're applied across industries and domains, and they revolutionize the way we work, live, and interact with technology. Let's briefly take a look at each of these. So what is machine learning? So machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, right? That involves development of algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data without being explicitly programmed to do. And that's where they're different from the normal software programs. A software program is naturally, programmed to do in a particular way. But in machine learning, the machine learns from the data, from the things, the time it passes through. In a sense, machine learning algorithms enable computers to learn from experience and improve their performance on a specific task over a period of time. What is deep learning? So deep learning is a subset of machine learning as you see here, and it involves use of artificial neural networks with multiple layers to learn complex patterns and representations from data. Deep learning algorithms are capable of automatically learning hierarchical representations of data by composing multiple layers of non-linear transformations. It's even an advanced form or stage of machine learning. What is natural language processing? Natural language processing is a subfield of artificial intelligence and linguistics. So it's a combination of computer science and linguistics that focuses on interaction between computers and human languages. And it involves the development of algorithms and techniques to enable the computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is meaningful and useful. So that is what natural language processing or NLP is all about. Another field is computer vision. Computer vision is a field of AI and computer science that focuses on helping computers, enabling computers to interpret and understand visual information and data from the real world, very much like humans do with their eyes. So it's trying to replicate the function of eye that humans have. It involves the development of algorithm and techniques to extract meaningful insights and perform tasks based on digital images or video. Robotics is a multidisciplinary field that involves design, development, operations, and use of robots to perform tasks on their own autonomously and with minimal human interventions. Right? Automatic cars is one good example of robotics. Now, there are many robots operating in factories to do. Now, robots are programmable machines equipped with sensors, actuators, and control system that enable them to interact with physical world and carry out a wide range of tasks. So, having looked at what is artificial intelligence, what we will do in the next lecture is talk about what are the career opportunities that artificial intelligence as a field offers. So, thank you so much for watching this first overview lecture in this course, Mastering Artificial Intelligence. I hope you're beginning to learn new things, beginning to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer a question. And also download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.